Hi guys, Nurse Cat here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about my experience when I almost gave up nursing. I graduated 2009 in the Philippines, and at that time, sobrang hirap makakuha ng trabaho. I graduated BSN year 2009, and by June 2009 I passed my NLE. Pero that time, ang hirap makakuha ng trabaho. I'm with the NARS project, Nurse Assigned in Rural Services, for 6 months. And then 6 months lang yung contract. Tapos 8,000 lang yung sahod namin that time. And then, pahirapan pa kasi kailangan mong gumawa ng journal ng ginawa mo sa community, or kung na-assign ka man sa hospital, lagay mong journal. Saka kanila babayaran. It's just a stipend of 8,000 pesos at that time. After that, nag-take ako ng master's ko, thinking na baka meron akong edge sa ibang mga nurses. Kasi sobrang oversupply ng nurses at that time. They will hire you sa hospital kung A, may backer ka, at kung B, may pera ka. Sa B, kung may pera ka, they even pay the hospitals just for them to get nursing practice their craft in the nursing field. So, ang hirap at that time. After my masters, habang nagma-masters pala ako, I was blessed to be hired as a clinical instructor. So I continued in nursing field up until bumaba yung numbers ng mga estudyante. Nagpumasok ako sa call center for how many years. Muntikan pa nga akong hindi pumasa it's in Convergys and IBM. It was a product of Convergys and IBM. Almost give up ko na yung nursing noon kasi sabi ko, wala naman akong kita kapag nasa nursing field ako. Pero inalala ko yung pangarap ng tatay ko sa akin. My father is also a nurse, pero hindi siya nagtuloy at hindi siya nakapunta dito sa ibang bansa. So, actually yun, pangarap pa yun ng lola ko para sa kanya. And then, he wanted me to be a nurse. And now I'm here. So, that moment na sabi ko wala nang pag-asa, ayoko na maging nurse. But what was my turning point? My turning point was when I grew up in the career ladder sa BPO industry, and then nakita ko ang daming politics. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, nagawa kong mag-excel sa IT industry na wala naman akong pinag-aralan at background doon. How much more kung doon ako sa pinag-aralan ko mismo. So yun yung naging turning point ko. So nag-aral ako, bumalik ako sa nursing, binuklat ko lahat ng libro ko, nag-aral ako, nag-take ako ng NCLEX. Sinundan ko lang yung instruction sa Google kasi may pangarap ako. Pangarap hindi lang para sa sarili ko, pangarap din para sa pamilya ko, sa parents ko. And then, yun, the rest is history. Bumalik ako sa nursing field at dito na po ako ngayon. So, what is the lesson? So, every time na nagtatrabaho ako, frustrated ako sa work, napapagod ako, inaalala ko yung mga bagay na nangyari sa akin dati. Kung dati-rate, sabi ko, pinapangarap mo na makapunta dyan at nandito ka na, tapos magre-reklamo ka. Same as true with the story of the Bible. Nung naalala nyo yung Tinatry ni Lord na alisin yung mga Israelites. Punta sila sa land of promise. Tapos, provide sila ng pagkain nila. Pero, nagrereklamo pa rin sila. So, sabi ko, parang ako yun na. So, what it is, every time I get frustrated or tired from work, I always pray to the Lord na bigyan ako ng strength and ibalik sa akin yung reason, ang purpose, bakit ako nanatili sa nursing field. So, that's why I'm creating this vlog, to also encourage you, whatever situation you are in right now in your nursing career, hindi pa uling lahat. Just pray for wisdom from the Lord. What can you do in your situation? Alam ko naman na may mga bagay na dinadaanan natin in order for our personality, for our character to be tested. So, ayun lang, just a reminder na manalig sa Kanya, that you have a purpose in your nursing journey. Sana may natutunan kayo at na-encourage kayo sa maliit na clip na to. Hanggang sa muli, this is Nurse Cat. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye-bye and God bless.